Okay, we're very, very close to the sewing machine plaque cut being complete. The laser is just cutting out the remainder of the outline now. This hasn't taken very long. I thought you said it would be 14 minutes? Really? Time flies. Okay. Can you open it? All right. So, how do we get that out? Like that? Oh, can you move the head? Want to pop that out? And this is what's left behind, little tiny pieces. And while I have to unmask, that's the masking tape that you see. And here's the reverse side, and that is clean as a whistle on that side. I'll post a still photo of what the other side looks like when I take the blue tape off. But I'm real happy with that cut.